actual habitat, and they're tracking dissolved oxygen throughout the summer. They're tracking temperature, they're tracking the water level, and so they're taking a lot of these really important measurements, and they're tracking that, and they're finding that
The quick ask for his thing at one point, in particular this Yager Days, not so much anymore. But so all those things that you just say a lot about, but then they'll make their way to the estuary as the year.
Particle size. You see any prints over there? Fresh prints? We saw otter prints the other day. Definite steelhead, white mouth. I had this completely turned back right side. They do this all the time. It's like a popsicle. You turn the whole skin inside out. The tail's in here somewhere. I'm going to get it again. It's been in a